Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to install SQLite on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a developer, student, or just curious about databases, SQLite is a lightweight and powerful tool you should have. Let's get started. First, we need to download SQLite. Open your browser and go to the official SQLite website or just Google SQLite. Scroll down to the Precompiled Binaries for Windows section. Download the command tools for Windows. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. I recommend you rename the folder to SQLite and copy it to your C drive for easy access. To use SQLite from any command prompt, we need to add it to the system path. Open Start menu, then search for Edit the System Environment Variables and open it. Click Environment Variables. Find the path variable under System Variables, click Edit, and add the path where your SQLite3.exe is located. Now let's test it. Open Command Prompt, type SQLite3 and hit Enter. If you see the SQLite prompt, congrats, it's installed. Let's test it with a simple database. The database has been created, and that's it! You've successfully installed SQLite on Windows 11. Now you can start building databases for your projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.